I have spent more than 20 years as a Cambridge educator, and I am going it to give you very straight. What's happening with the May June 2026 exam? It's not a glitch. It's a disaster for the kids who actually studied. When paper leaks, the whole system breaks. Here is a simple truth about the mess we are in. In 2026 exams, one after another, every paper is going to be leaked. What is going to be happening? It's heartbreak for the students. Imagine a student who hasn't slept, studying every page of his book, going to practice, only to find out that someone else got the answer for free on social media. What about the result? Honest students feel like loser. They lose their drive, their hopes, and their trust in hard working. We are crushing their spirit. A massive waste of family money as well. Parents don't just pay exam fees, they sacrifice. They pay for the tutor, books, school, and long hours of schooling. What is the result? When a paper leaks, that money is basically thrown in the trash. If the exam is cancelled or retaken, it's a parent who pay the price, both in money, stress, and hard working. Next, what about the Cambridge name? The Cambridge name is losing its value. For years, a Cambridge certificate was like gold. But if anyone can buy the answer, the certificate becomes just a piece of paper. What will be the result then? If this keep happening, top universities will stop trusting these grades. This is a nightmare for the student future. Now, what is my advice for the Cambridge? Number one, go digital. Stop spending physical boxes of paper around the world. It's 2026. Use encrypted computers. If there's no paper, there's no leak. But ruthless with cheaters. If a school or center is involved in a leak, shut them down forever. No more slaps on the wrist. Talk to use. Stop the formal press release. Tell the parents and student exactly what happened and how you will make it fair for the honest kids. As a Cambridge educator, I expect that Cambridge will take some strong steps against such sort of process. What is going to be happen right now? And also, whatever the upcoming examination, Cambridge will strictly perform some of the steps with which it can be stopped, because still on internet it is offered that you can buy the upcoming exam paper as well. Must be fair, must do something, because this is not only the issue about the paper leaks, it's about the question of students' future, it's about the name of Cambridge. Thank you.